Which of these city spaces do feel more inclusive? Some of us don't use these spaces at all because crowds, noise, and unpredictable movement can make them stressful. Around 1 in 5 of us are neurodivergent. That's about 1 million people in Greater Sydney. When our cities aren't designed for them, we're excluding a huge part of our community. So, how do neurodivergent people experience the city? We asked this question directly from our 13 neurodivergent participants. Through walking interviews, they explored what helps and what hinders their comfort, confidence, and sense of belonging in Sydney's public spaces. Our research found what it means to walk, transit, sense, and share the city as a neurodivergent person. For many, walking was not just about moving, it was about managing. Unpredictable paths, overstimulating routes, clutter, and sudden crowds made walking feel overwhelming and stressful. Public transport was about more than access, it was about trust. Buses' unreliable timetables, frequent disruptions to trains, and overcrowding in light rails created anxiety. The city is a sensory experience. Loud and unpredictable noise, inconsistent lighting, and uneven surfaces made neurodivergent users leave, but natural materials and greenery help them feel comfortable. Sharing the city is about being with others. People valued places that offered both connecting and retreat, spots to watch people, rest in shade, or find quiet edges. Our study shows what makes a city better for neurodivergent people. Quieter, cleaner, more predictable, and comforting makes it better for everyone. Thanks for watching.